are pleased to show you the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, Uconnect hands-free group. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.